Today, on my first video, of course, we will be checking who is the fastest furnace. So, normal, copper, silver, iron, gold, diamond, emerald, crystal, obsidian, netherite, and rainbow. Now for this, we'll just need to... Oops. Okay, perfect. Now, they will all be smelting one piece of iron each. And I will put a stopwatch to see who is the fastest. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see how fast this guy goes. If I'm right, it should be 15 seconds. Okay. It took 16, well, pretty much 17 seconds. Yeah, 16.92. So, now for copper. 3, 2, 1. Hoo-hoo. It's not looking good. Come on, come on. That is 13 seconds. Silver furnace. 3, 2, 1. Nine seconds. 9 seconds. Okay. Okay, iron. Now we're probably going in kind of fast. 3, 2, 1. Boom. This is kind of like a blast furnace, the iron. Okay. That's 9 seconds. Wait, 9 seconds also. I believe it. Well, mostly 8, but it's pretty much 9. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Five seconds. 5 seconds, golden furnace. Now we're going to diamond. I should put emerald first, then diamond. Okay, well, doesn't matter. Diamond. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay. I'm gonna need to speed click for this one. 3, 2, 1. Actually, not that fast. That was 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds. Emerald furnace, my favorite. 3, 2, 1. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. That's insane. That's insane. Crystal, crystal, crystal. Okay, crystal furnace. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Four seconds. Okay, so right now, our fastest is emerald. I mean, sorry, but it is. Now obsidian. It's probably gonna be faster than emerald. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. I forgot to click. So we're gonna redo obsidian. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yeah. Wait. Wait. We're gonna redo obsidian. Okay. Redo obsidian. 3, 2, 1. That's 1 second. That's 1 second. It's our fastest right now. 1 second. Okay. Netherite. Hoo-hoo. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna need to redo that. We're gonna need to redo that right there. We may need to do a lot of tries for this one. Okay, okay. 3, 2, 1. 63 milliseconds. It's like 0.63 right now. That's insane. Rainbow furnace. Now, this is the best one. So you see, you put normal coal inside and a piece of iron. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, you see, that's the thing. Okay. I want to show you its power right here. So, I put a stack in here, and I put the rainbow coal. Look. It gives me a stack of iron ingots. How insane is that? That's like really insane. Oh, also, if you watch this video to the end, make sure to like and subscribe and put your volume up. If you didn't hear that much, it's because I'm recording on a phone, because I don't have all the fancy gear, but it's okay. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. See you another time.